Before assembling the garden, read the assembly manual completely. First, sort all lumber and hardware according to size. Make sure you have the proper tools and materials on hand. The garden must be installed on level ground. The first step is to attach the corner brackets to the side panels. Connect the side panels to create the U-shaped garden bed. Attach the corner boards to the brackets. Then attach the brackets to the center panel. Insert the panel to complete the garden bed. Next, fasten the rest of the short corner boards to the structure. Before going any further, double check the level. Then build the tub supports, put them in the garden bed, and attach them to the structure. Place the tub supports flush to the ground. Make sure the top of each tub support is 12 1/4 inches from the top of the side panels. You want to be certain the plastic tubs will fit in the structure. Use the paddle bit to drill a hole through one of the long side panels and an inside panel. Standing outside the garden, insert the male end of the long flex hose through the two holes that were just drilled. Fold the tubs at the seams and insert them in the garden. Using the paddle bit, drill a hole through the long side panel. Attach the top rails to the side panels of the unit. Then connect the screen panels to the garden bed. Use the support cleats to attach the back screen panels. Next, attach the braces to the front screen panels and the top rails. Fasten the hinges to the side of the gate doors. Then attach the gates to the front of the garden. Drill a hole through the top rail of the gate and attach the gate latch. Connect the female end of the short flex hose to the timer. Then insert the male end through the hole in the side panel. Attach the brass valve to the timer. Use the brackets to secure the timer to the structure. Fasten the hose hanger to the inside panel of the garden. Then connect the coil hose, attach the sprayer, and place the hose on the hanger. Add soil and amendments. Attach and lay out the soaker hose. Now you're ready to plant.